Hi everybody, this here is my really big remote that I use for my TV and really big calculator. This controls my TV, my VCR, my DVD player, and my cable box. This is the clicker that I used to use. Here's $1 to compare it to.